Hello friends, welcome to the Photoshop tips and tricks. Let me show you how to make a coffee mockup in Adobe Photoshop. Let's start. Open the layer panel and select the layer. Select Object Selection tool and select the coffee cup. When it is selected, select the pen tool. Zoom in here and draw a path to make a selection. Right-click and choose Make Selection. Then subtract from selection and click OK. OK, now press Ctrl-J to make a copy and rename it to Coffee Cup. Now go to the second image. It's the design. Click and drag it to the first image, then release here and adjust the position. Press Ctrl-T, then right-click and choose Warp. Now adjust like this. Right-click and choose Scale, then adjust the size and position. OK, press Enter to done. Right-click and choose Create Clipping Mask. Then change the mode to Multiply. Now select this layer and drag to duplicate. Bring up to top. Again right-click on this and create clipping mask. Also for this. And change its mode to soft light. Okay, that's well. Hope you liked it. Please follow me on social media for more useful and effective videos. Thanks for watching.